Ready for your biggest deal yet?
This is just the beginning.
The investors are impressed.
Good. Let's move forward.
Sir, the deal is at risk.
We don't break under pressure.
Department down.
We did it!
No, we're just getting started.
Welcome guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access VEO 3.1. okay, for those of you that don't know what VEO 3.1 is, VEO 3.1, they maintain character consistency and they maintain the same background, okay, and the same face, okay. They don't change the face of your character, and it's good for storytelling too because it has good cinematic movement. And the good thing about it too is that you can select more than one or two reference image. It allows you to do that, and the video quality too is very clean and sharp compared to VEO 3, and your character will remain consistent. Why do I say your character will remain consistent? Is because VEO 3.1 understands prompts very well. They understand prompts and they understand dialogues naturally, okay. They won't even stress you. And the good thing about VEO 3.1 is that they have reference where you can put your reference image, okay. And the quality of VEO 3.1 is top notch, my darling. You need to try VEO 3.1, okay. So for that scene you just saw, okay, I'm going to be taking you guys through the details how I was able to make that character, that AI character, okay, how I was able to make the face consistent, the background and the words, you know, rhyme with every dialogue, and it understands dialogue professionally and naturally, okay. It understands prompts. It won't even change anything in your prompt. It does exactly what you ask it to do. Why do I say it's a better version of VEO 3? Because in VEO 3, most of VEO 3, I don't know, for most of you using VEO 3, sometimes the characters might be talking out of point. Sometimes they don't even talk, okay. VEO 3.1, the quality of the video will be very clear, sharp, like the one you just saw on my screen. I'm going to show you how I was able to actually make that scene, okay. So please stay with me to the end of this video, okay. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. Why do I say it's very important to subscribe? Because I always post beautiful updates and free and accessible updates. When I mean free and accessible updates that you can do without even subscribing, okay, it's very accessible. So I know most of you have been looking for a way to get VEO 3 or VEO 3.1, but it's not accessible in your region, okay. But this method I'm going to be teaching you guys is very easy if you follow the process, because I'm going to be detailed in today's video, okay. On today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make long videos, AI long videos, and how you can make your characters consistent, okay. I know most of these AI videos too, sometimes you put your dialogue and your AI starts skipping, okay. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can put your dialogue so your AI will not skip and the mouth will rhyme exactly with the words or your dialogue. If you don't know how to subscribe, beneath this my video you will see a bell there. It's totally free. Just click on the bell, okay, so that whenever I post any free and accessible updates on this my channel, you'll be the first to get it. So let's move to the important part, okay. So this is my prompt. This is what I told ChatGPT what I wanted, okay. I was detailed and this is what it gave me. So I mean, it was just so jam-packed. So I went ahead to tell it, separate the image prompt from the video and dialogue. So that's our story, Above the Cloud by Daniel Kingsley. That is our actor. So you can see scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. So it was well differentiated. That's why I always say, if you want a good and fantastic story, you need to give it details. You need a very beautiful prompt, okay, so that your story can come out beautiful. So let's move to the next part. So I'll be using Chrome. You see, I typed VEO 3 and you can see different VEO here. So I had to click VEO 3.1. You can see. Then you'll be clicking try in Google Flow. okay? Try in Google Flow is what you'll be clicking here. This is how your interface will look like once you click that VEO 3.1. Follow the sign in process, okay? It will bring you here, okay? Then you get started. So let's start by generating our image first, okay? I'll be using Nano Banana Pro, okay? So let's go and copy our image prompt. You know, it has differentiated it for us to make it easier for us, okay? We paste it. Then we exercise patient, okay? You can see the result. You can see how the picture looks so neat. So I first went to insert the picture in the box. If you don't know how to insert the picture in the box, just click that plus sign, okay? So I'll go ahead to copy my scene too. I kept that picture in the box so that whatever image it will be giving me, it will be the same picture I gave it, okay? Because I wanted to use the same face. That's why I kept that picture in the box. So my darling, you can see the same person and the same place. You get? If you click on this plus sign, okay, it's going to bring you here where you can actually click the image and the image automatically will appear in this box. So darlings, let's move to scene 3. Paste, generating. Voila, our results. You can see the same person, okay? Still the same place, okay? You can see there thunder was striking and all that. Don't forget to press the plus sign to bring you here where you will insert the picture in the box. Same routine. You can see same picture, same background, picture quality, beautiful. So babies, let's move to the next part, okay? So you know I told you to differentiate everything. So it differentiated the video prompt and the dialogue. So I just told you to, put it together because we want to generate our video now. We want to bring our images to life and I need the video prompt and the dialogue to be together, okay? You can see we've copied scene 1 and the dialogue, okay? The video prompt and the dialogue. You see my picture is already there. I will just paste my video prompt and my dialogue. Just watch closely, okay? So here we'll be changing our setting, okay? We'll be going to video, click on one time. You see that place it wrote Omni Flash? Okay, we are going to click it. You know Omni Flash is for AI effect experiment. VEO 3.1 Lite is for saving your credits, okay? Then VEO 3.1 Fast is the best for good quality and speed. Then VEO 3.1 Quality is actually the slowest, but it's good for cinematic videos and professional content. That VEO 3.1 Quality makes your video look so real, but we'll be making use of VEO 3.1 Fast, okay? And it's totally free. It will just cost you only 20 credits and it's not even much, okay? I didn't subscribe to the app, okay, but I can make long videos with this process, okay, and good quality videos like the one you can see now on my screen.
Ready for your biggest deal yet?
This is just the beginning.
Ready for your biggest deal yet?
This is just the beginning.
So if you want to save it, okay, you just go back and long press it. You can see the options. Let's move to the next step, my darlings, okay? Please watch closely and carefully. Click on the plus sign, okay? You can see where my images are. I want to select the one I want to bring to life. You can see my settings. Once you start seeing this orange sign, you know you've exhausted your free plan, okay? Because I've been using this particular site to generate videos today, okay? But don't worry, it won't stop us from generating our videos, okay?
The investors are impressed.
Good. Let's move forward.
So we move to the next scene, okay? We are going to copy our next scene. Since I already exhausted my free coin on that Gmail, so I just logged into another account with another Gmail. You can see I saved the pictures on my phone. That is why you can see only one picture here, okay? I still have to check the setting if it's correct. So that is just how you create long videos, okay? The good thing about it is that they give you free daily coin you can use to create quality AI content here or movies, whatever you want to create, okay? Just watch carefully. Don't forget, darlings, video ingredients 1 times, okay? And your VEO 3.1, okay? Since this is a new browser, this browser is Safari. For those of you using iPhone, okay, you know the browser. So that's what I use for this new Gmail that I put, or Google, anyone. So let's move to the next thing. So it's just the same routine, okay? The only difference is that I saved this one on my phone because I used another browser and another email, okay, to generate this video. I may have up to like 5 or 6 emails, my babies.
No, we're just getting started.
So welcome back, guys. You see, it was not even hard. Guys, like I always say in every video, my comment section is for interaction, okay? Feel free to put down your questions in my comment section, okay? So see you another day, and don't forget to subscribe.